Hi, I'm Randy Vance. Thanks for joining me today on my dock. You know, every now and then I actually catch a fish, and up until today I've been cleaning them on the seawall. It's kind of got to get down low. It's not a very nice job. I've always needed a workbench down here, and when I decided to start making one in my workshop and I looked at the price of wood, the time involved, and what I was actually going to get, I looked into seeing about getting one made for me. And here's what I got from Boat Outfitters. This has got 3 stanchions on it. It bolts into the concrete deck. It's made of completely rot-free starboard. You got a cool hose hanger here. You got a knife holder here. And I'm not gonna lie to you, by the time I'm cleaning fish, I'm gonna have a beer or two. I like the fact that this optional shelf gives you extra workspace. Now that's a pretty nice little addition. But if you really want to stay basic, you can just go with the bench itself. The whole thing washes off over the deck. You can bring your knife and lay it up in here when you're working, and you got a knife sharpener right here. Well, that's what I found at Boat Outfitters. Thought it was pretty cool. Thought you might be interested in it. I'm Randy Vance, and thanks for joining me on my dock.